Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Trello and Slack for card activity notifications, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Trello and Slack for card activity notifications, start by opening Trello in your web browser. Log into your Trello account if you haven't already. Navigate to the board where you want to receive notifications. Click on the Show menu option on the right side of the board. Select Power UPS from the menu. In the Power UPS directory, search for Slack. Locate the Slack integration and click on the Add. Once added, click on the Settings button for the Slack power-up. You will see an option to link Slack. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to log into Slack. Enter your Slack credentials to authorize Trello access. Choose the Slack channel where you want to receive notifications. After linking, customize the options for notifications as desired. Select the types of card activity you want to be notified about. Options usually include comments, due date changes, and card moves. Once you've made your selections, save the settings. Next, go to the Slack application to verify the integration. Check the channel you chose for confirmation messages from Trello. To test the setup, make a change on one of the cards in Trello. For example, add a comment or move the card to a different list. Observe if a notification appears in your linked Slack channel. If you receive the message, the integration is successfully set up. If you don't receive a notification, revisit the Trello settings and ensure everything is configured correctly. This setup enables real-time communication between your Trello board and Slack. You're now ready to manage your tasks with streamlined notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.